I, Robot is a science fiction film released in 2004. It is based on the 1950 short story collection of the same name by Isaac Asimov, and stars Will Smith as Del Spooner, a detective investigating a murder in a future where robots are widespread in society. The film explores themes of artificial intelligence, the nature of humanity, and the potential consequences of advanced technology. It was directed by Alex Proyas and also starred Bridget Moynahan, Bruce Greenwood, and James Cromwell. The Audi RSQ was a mid-engine, two-door sports car with a unique, asymmetrical design. It featured scissor doors that opened upwards, and a futuristic interior with a control panel that replaced traditional gauges and buttons. The car was equipped with advanced technology such as a self-driving mode, and was powered by a hybrid powertrain that combined a gasoline engine with electric motors. It was also equipped with advanced suspension and braking systems to enhance its performance. The Audi RSQ was designed specifically for the film I, Robot, and was not intended for production. However, many of the design elements and features of the car have been incorporated into subsequent Audi production models. For example, the asymmetrical design of the Audi RSQ inspired the design of the Audi A5 Sportback, and the scissor doors of the RSQ were later used on the Audi R8 supercar. Additionally, the advanced technology and hybrid powertrain of the RSQ have been incorporated into various Audi production models. The Audi RSQ was a concept car created by a team of designers and engineers at Audi, led by Walter de Silva, who was the head of design at Audi at the time. The car was designed to be a futuristic, high-performance vehicle with advanced technology and a unique, asymmetrical design. It was intended to be used in the film for visual effects and was not intended for production. Walter de Silva is an Italian automotive designer who has worked for several major car companies, including Audi, Volkswagen, and Seat. He is best known for his work at Audi, where he served as the head of design from 2002 to 2014. During his tenure at Audi, de Silva oversaw the design of a number of iconic cars, including the Audi R8, the Audi A5, and the Audi Q7. Prior to working at Audi, de Silva worked at Volkswagen, where he designed the Volkswagen Polo and the Volkswagen New Beetle, among other models. He has won numerous awards for his design work and is widely regarded as one of the most talented and influential automotive designers of his generation. He has won numerous awards for his design work and is widely regarded as one of the most talented and influential automotive designers of his generation. Thank you for watching. With love, yours sincerely, AI.